Hello everyone, my name is Roxas and today I'm going to show you an operation on Neflix 2, and so I'm going to put the Fantastic Four there and I'm going to press play. Now we see what's going to happen. Okay, it might bounce here, so I'm going to buy 2. Because it looks like it's gonna bounce up, because here there is a flaw, because the Fantastic Four, the line, the 200 line and the 20 line, so I think that's a strong flaw, and I can put the stop loss there. Put it like that so you can see it. Okay, so I put the push 1, 2, and 3. I've made them bigger than normal because I bought down here and it's going really high. So I think it might go higher than normal. So I'm gonna put the break even there. Now I wait for the bars to go up. Yeah. There we go. Now we go out 1. Yeah, there we go. Then we move the stop loss. Oh no. Okay, so we did it here. Move the stop loss here. Here. Because the bar, since the bar is really big, we have to put the stop loss in the middle, because look, if I put the stop loss here, it's not really gonna change where the stop loss is, but if I put it here, then it will. And also because the bar is really big and it's better putting it at the half. So now I think I'm gonna put another one. Or like here, I don't know. Can't put it here. Can put it here. I'm gonna put the fair value gap that if you couldn't buy down here. If you couldn't buy down here where I bought, you could also buy here and have the push 1, 2, and 3, and you would still get it. So if you couldn't buy down here, you get less money, but you still get money. Okay, so now it's going up. I'm gonna see. So we've done the Fantastic Four. We've got an entry. We've got the stop loss. We've got push 1, push 2, we've moved to break even. We did push 3, we took out 1, we're doing trailing and stop, and now we're waiting for a faint, and so we can close the trade. if there is a feint. There isn't always a feint. Oh. Yeah, there's no way I'm not. That is a big bar. I think I'm just gonna put the stop loss there right now. We're waiting for it to either feint on one of the stop losses, or so we can close the trade. Because if it keeps going, it's gonna take forever. So right now we're waiting for feint maybe, or 2 bars touching the stop loss. That is a lot. There. Keep going. Oh. Oh my god. Look how much we're getting over 1,200 with just one. We're over 1,200. From here to here is 1,200. Oh my gosh! Look at the 20 line. It's going straight up. Okay. There's a double space. That's a feint, maybe feint, maybe close trade. Let's see. I'm just waiting for the bar to stop going up or just close. Because here, feint. We've got a feint. Now we just need to wait to go out. Okay, one bar, 0 bar, 1 bar. So to go out, I would say have 1 bar touching it and another bar under it, and then you can sell. There, I just sold because the bar went down. This one touched it, then this one went down, and also because there's a double space there. So now I'm gonna do something really quickly. So I labeled it, and I labeled it because all of these are the parts of my plan. And so if you couldn't use the fair value gap because it doesn't come back to it, sometimes it doesn't come back to the fair value gap. If you couldn't use the fair value gap because it didn't come back to it, you could have used the confirmation bar, which was here before the fair value gap, and I exited here because the bar and then the second bar. So now, bye everyone, and now I'm gonna do it explain this on Spanish, and keep doing trading. Bye. Hola a todos, yo estoy Froxinar y te voy a enseñar mi operación en Neflix 2. Entonces, yo entré, donde había una confirmación aquí y rebotó de este piso. Y entonces, cuando rebotó, subió y subió y subió y subió hasta aquí arriba. Entonces rebotó, puse mis push y yo los hice grandes, donde yo antes tenía mi cámara así, un poquito más pequeño, lo tenía así, entonces aquí estaba en la vela y yo dije, ok, estos son unos grandes push, y después vi que tenía de hacerlos más pequeños, donde las velas eran muy grandes, y entonces lo puse así y después vi que los puse pequeños, pero entonces rebotó de aquí. Mi stop loss primero estaba aquí y aquí compré, aquí está mi break even y aquí es donde saqué uno. Aquí está mi fair value gap de ICE, donde está en la parte de mi plan. Y entonces desde aquí no podías comprar, donde no vino al fair value gap otra vez. Entonces aquí se hizo, y si este bajó, después podías comprar y subir. Entonces el fair value gap no me ayudó tanto aquí. El stop loss 2 estaba aquí, donde saqué uno aquí y el medio era el mejor sitio para ponerlo. Después subí hasta aquí, después aquí, 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 y después finta, y después me sacó ahí. Y ahora está subiendo más. Te saca y después se sube más. Entonces ahora tengo la operación de gané como 1.200 y creo que eso es todo para hoy. Adiós y sigue haciendo trading. Adiós.